Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the state management in Flutter, how we use the state management in our application. Suppose we have the data, then we have to change and we need to reflect in our some widget. Then we need to change the state of the widget on the basis of on our data. In Flutter, state refers to information that can be read synchronously when the widget is built and might change during the lifetime of the widget. Basically, state are of the two types. One is the local state, another one is the global state. Local state works inside only one widget, and global state works in whole app. Here we can see in the example. Suppose we have in my login screen, and the one my catalog screen, right? Then from the catalog screen we can add some products inside our application. Then the data is flow whole app. The commonly used state management tool in Flutter are set state provider, getx, block, riverpod, uh, etc. Here I will implement using the set state. Then I will show in the other videos how we can use provider, block, getx, and other packages. Just click on the I button, then you will get the top 5 state management tool in the Flutter. Here I have this fresh page. I have one elevated button here, and in the button we have one text widget. That's the press me. Okay. Then we are implementing here how set state work in Flutter, right? Then we are doing something here, just like I'll create one bool type variable toggle. Toggle is basically false initially. Then I will create one more method here, uh, void toggle me toggle. Okay. Then this toggle method, show toggle. Then when we get inside this method, we'll change the value of toggle equal to toggle. Then we'll change some UI as well. Here I'll change with one column wizard, and no need to use this center wizard. I'll remove this center wizard. Then main axis element, main axis center. Okay. And cross axis element, is center as well. Okay. Then inside the column, I will take one text wizard, right? Okay. Then widget is visible, right? Before that, I will wrap with this another widget visibility. This visibility widget need to have one property. That property name is visible. I'll put here toggle. Initially it's okay. Initially we are not getting anything here, right? Stretch. Center. Because of this width, it is not working. Okay, I'll put this in one container. Width double infinity. then it should be work. It's still not working. Why? Okay, cross-axis element. I'll change. Oh, center. I put this start. Okay, and it's not wrong. It's okay. Then what can I do is there is a column. Why this is not working? Okay, max size. Is this still not working? Max. Okay, center. This is not working. I don't know why this is not working, but it have to work. Okay, what will duration down? Why this is not working? I want to do this in the center, but this is not working. But it should be work if I do this like okay. I'll do again. I'll add one more thing here. Container with double dot infinity height just 700. Yeah, now it's working because the content is not getting any height or width. Then okay, this should be visible. I'll make it this some style as well. Style text style font size 24, font weight bold, font color app colors that red. Okay. Then now we are not seeing anything here. It's recommend to use size box. Okay, we use here as well. We are not seeing anything here, right? Then we'll call this method show toggle. See, even we clicking here, nothing is happening here. What things we have to do here is we call here set state method. Inside the set state, we need to put this updated value. Then it will be updated. Okay. Then we'll do one more thing here as well. If toggle value is true, then show toggle. Otherwise, we can't just steer. Press me. Okay. Show me. Hide me. Okay. It's like this one. Hide me. Show me. Hide me. It's working, right? This is the basic implementation for the state management tool in the Flutter. In next video, we'll continue with our tutorials to Flutter 0 to Hero. Then simultaneously, I'll add the videos regarding just like I previously mentioned, I need to implement the list with the Firebase. Another one is in last video I mentioned a lot of things there. I'll make those videos as well. And for this instrument tool, I'll make the video regarding the provider get text first, then we'll go to the block and the reverb. Thank you so much for the watch.